has the been since I saw thee on Ilkley Moor Baht. Where has the been since I saw thee?
Today I'm at an archaeological dig, not at a metal detecting do. They're wanting to clear the site for a magnetometer survey, so they've asked us from Weymouth and Portland Detecting Club to come down and do a metal sweep first to make the life easier. So we're here collecting scrap as well as any artefacts, really. There'll be a bonus, but what we're after is scrap. Probably just coming up as scrap between 40 and 50. Let's have a look. Surface rubbish. Tin foil. No, it is aluminium foil. Well, 92. Bit of a shallow XY, but let's have a look. Oh, is that it? Copper wire. Yeah. Electrical wire. Well, since they want to do a magnetometer survey, I'd better try and get it all out. I think that's it. Right, allowed 90. Which is all over the place on the XY screen. Probably going to be scrap. And I get a double bleep too, so it's likely to be surface scrap. Oh, a squash bottle top. Yeah, just a squash bottle top. Oh well. A good solid 81, 82. Slightly wavy line on the XY screen, but it's solid and repeatable, so and if it's scrap, it's no loss because it's what I'm here for, really. No, I see it. I think it's a bale tag. Yeah, give it a squirt. Well, we've got a jumping all over the place line. 48 to 52, not varying much, but a crazy XY screen, so I'm thinking it's going to be iron scrap. But I have been known to be wrong. Right. Ooh, a coin. Yeah, 5p I think. Oh well, I'll put it in a box. Decimal 5p. Oh, a nice solid 87 with a good diagonal. Yeah, tin can, aluminium can. Is it a rare one though? It's a Star energy drink. Well, never had one of them before.